All right, y'all. I really don't know how this video is gonna turn out
Yep.
because I don't even know what Nike is doing.
Nope.
Allegedly, we got some Kobe's dropping tomorrow. Nobody's talking about these sneakers at all, and I don't even know if I want to go for them because I don't know what Nike brand is doing when it comes to the Protros or Kobe's. I feel like they are just stretching, and everything that has to do with Kobe, they're trying to milk. We got Kobe Nike Techs. We got Kobe Air Force Ones. We got Kobe Lower American Dunks. And now we got these two sneakers that you see on the screen. These are paying homage to Kobe's first court. I don't even know what that means, bro. Like I don't even know what we're doing. Now, am I saying that these sneakers are bad sneakers? I don't think that they're bad sneakers, but it's just like we could have spent the time on giving us some actual OG Protros that Kobe wore instead of giving us this. But nonetheless, we gotta talk about it. How are these sneakers gonna do? I feel like they're just limited to the sneakers app. So would that mean that they're gonna sell out? Y'all really don't mess with Kobe ones like that. I feel like the Air Force Ones are gonna go, but these Kobe ones, this is gonna be a tricky one. Let's talk about it.
They fresh out the box, then you gotta keep them clean. There's that knowledge in your walk when you step on the scene. Technology, ain't no apology. Don't make it hard, man. It ain't trigonometry. You gotta be.
Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're gonna be talking about some Kobe's that will be dropping tomorrow, February 4th, randomly. Like I don't know what's going on, especially in the middle of all this chaos. It's crazy. But before we talk about this, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. So we do have a Kobe Air Force One that is going to have the React in it, and as you guys can see on the screen, it is the Kobe Air Force One City of Champions. And like I said, this sneaker in the Kobe One is going to be paying homage to his first home court. Now, with that being said, this is not a bad looking sneaker. I'm kind of done with the whole Air Force One Kobe thing. Like I feel like I got enough, and I got the ones that I need in my collection. But it's going to have the React in it. Retail should be right around like 150, 160, somewhere in there. And based on the fact that I don't know stock numbers for these things, I haven't seen them anywhere, I'm gonna say that these, it's safe to say that these will sell out, and they probably will resell for a pretty decent amount, to be honest with you. I'm pretty sure current pre-sale for these things is probably well over $300, and you know that'd be crazy out of the gate because there's not many people having the pairs. That doesn't mean that they sold for that, but that's just what people are asking for them. I don't think people are going to be paying that with everything that's going to be dropping. I do feel like that these will definitely sell out on the sneakers out. And then we got this Kobe One. I like this Kobe One. A lot of people don't mess with the Kobe One. We've had some Kobe Ones that have sat around and that went on clearance and stuff like that. The Kobe 81 point joint is still sitting around. Nobody's buying it. So based on the fact that this is going to be limited, it seems like, and just exclusive to the sneakers app, I haven't heard any buzz around this sneaker. I'm going to say it's going to sell out also, but resale might not be too crazy on it, to be honest with you. You know what I'm saying? It might be one of those things where as they sell out, and you know, if you actually want this sneaker, you might be able to trade for something, or you might be able to go on the resale market and get it for cheap. I'm not sure, but I just haven't been hearing a lot of buzz around it. So that's why I'm kind of confused and torn on this one, because the fact that it seems like only one place is getting them, which is the sneakers app that I have seen, and the fact that the stock numbers are so secretive and nobody's really talking about it, leads me to think that this sneaker might do very well on the resale market, but I definitely think it will sell out. So y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. Are these two sneakers that y'all messing with? I just kind of feel like Nike just kind of need to just slow it down, put the brakes on Kobe's for a little bit, man. Only give us the shoes that he wore for a year straight. Let's just do that. 1 year. Just give us nothing but Kobe's that he wore. And then we can throw it, maybe sprinkle in a little bit of, you know, paying homage type sneakers here or there. But all this excess stuff that we're getting, this extra stuff, I just feel like they just milking it, bro. And that's sad. I think we could pay respect to the Mamba without doing it the way that we're doing it. But y'all let me know down in the comment section what y'all think. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the sayings, man. Rock was like, now what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these Kobe's, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm going to catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth.